Hello guys, this is Abhishek and today we're going to do unboxing of GoPro Hero 8. So stay with me and watch this video to know more. So let me keep it aside. First we'll go for the GoPro Hero 8. So this I bought in the Amazon. So I got it in a cheap price. It cost me around 26,000. So I got a good deal. Along with it, I bought this Handys Extreme 128 GB memory card. So it is also a good deal. And the rate here is printed rate is 34,000. Sorry, and I got it in 2000 something. I'll mention down the rates in the description. Okay, so let's unbox it. So 12 megapixel 4K 60, then slow-mo 8x, Hypersmart 2.0, time mode 2.0, 1080p live streaming. Okay, so many features are there. We'll go through one by one. I was thinking of buying the GoPro Hero 9, but it was out of my budget, so took this one instead. Okay, let's open it. Anything inside this one, only this plastic body. Okay, so here is the most awaited GoPro Hero 8. I have some warranty cards and some GoPro stickers and a manual. Okay, we'll go through it later. What else we have in the box? Okay, we have a charger. We have a mount for bikes and all, and we have the battery. The battery is really very small. I wonder how many hours it is. Okay, nothing else in the box. For removing this, we have to pull it out, this rubber thing over here, and then push this two brackets and push it. So that's how you take it out. And here it is. This is my unboxing of GoPro Hero 8. Stay tuned for more.